Mic, please. Wireless mic.
Saan ka man naroon, sinta? Pag-ibig ko ikaw, pagkat mahal kita. Asahan mo sa habang panahon. Alaala kita saan ka man naroon. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, and so ragged. Are you all staring at me? And are you whispering to one another, why? Do you know my mother? I don't think so. And do you know my father? Do you know me 5 years ago? I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared. While my mother is playing in the piano, and I dance and dance for them. We were very happy indeed. But one evening, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door. Did the cruel Nippons discover our peaceful home? Mother and I saw our father. They took father away from us. We were not given the chance to plead goodbye. And then we followed them mile after mile. And then we saw father hanging on the tree. Dead. Father! And then planes were roaring overhead. Bombs were everywhere. Boom! 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 And then I saw mother. Her legs were shattered into pieces. And then I cried vengeance. Vengeance. No, Louise, said mother. Vengeance is not ours. It is God's. It is God's. Asahan mo sa habang panahon, alaala kita Enroll. Oh.
Thank you so much, candidate number 17, Miss Pauline Luna.
Oh my God.
And now, let's move on to candidate number 13, Miss Katrina Habibi.